I researched and tested some of the best 4K projectors in order to find the best ones, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what the perfect 4K projector is for you, like the Optoma UHD55, which is a solid projector that offers an intuitive interface to stream content, plenty of ports, and outstanding picture quality for the price, and is my choice as the best 4K projector for most people in 2023. The problem is that the Optoma UHD55 isn't perfect for everyone, and if you don't know some specific things to look for, you could end up with a 4K projector that won't work well for you, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of people, and all the info you need to know to find the perfect product. So, regardless of what you intend on using it for, you'll know exactly what the best 4K projector is. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mentioned in this video in the description. Some people might be looking for a high-quality projector that can deliver a large, bright, and detailed picture with vibrant colors from almost anywhere in the room. The Optoma CinemaX P2 is my choice as the best ultra-short throw projector in 2023. Optoma is a well-known name with several quality offerings to choose from, and their CinemaX P2 is a high-quality ultra-short throw projector that can consistently deliver a stunning viewing experience. It measures around 5.1 by 22.1 by 15 inches and weighs around 25 pounds, so it's meant to be set up or mounted in a home entertainment setup, and it offers a 20,000-hour lamp life to ensure quality long-term performance. It runs an intuitive version of the Aptoide TV interface, which is easy to set up, allows you to access major streaming apps like Netflix or Hulu, and activate Google Assistant or Alexa for hands-free control, but has a relatively limited app selection. In addition, it features two built-in 19-watt speakers to fill larger rooms with surprisingly detailed audio. It features 4K resolution technology with XPS fast switch pixel shifting technology to produce a crisp and detailed picture with top-tier color accuracy out of the box, and 3000 ANSI lumens of brightness to maintain its picture quality in moderately bright rooms. The ultra-short throw technology also allows you to fill an 85 to 120-inch screen from just inches away to save some space. It also allows 4 HDR modes and supports HDR10 content if you want to boost the contrast and clarity. And you get controls to calibrate your image in several preset modes to optimize the picture based on what you're watching. The Optoma CinemaX P2 is a quality ultra-short throw projector that comes with several HDR modes to further enhance your content and some surprisingly advanced image-enhancing technology to get the most out of your picture. If you want a projector that can produce a massive image from just inches away to save space without sacrificing quality, this is a great choice. The Optoma UHD55 is an excellent mid-range model that comes with a user-friendly version of the Android TV interface to stream your favorite content, a low input lag, and excellent picture quality to keep you immersed in what you're watching. It has a reasonably space-saving design that only weighs around 8 pounds, so you'll be able to move it around as needed. The projector comes with an impressive port selection to connect a variety of devices, which includes 3 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and 2 HDMI ports, with one that supports 4K at 120Hz signals for smooth next-gen console gaming. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and an integrated Android TV interface that allows you to stream content, wirelessly cast content from your other devices, and enable Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands, though some other interfaces offer more streaming services. It features a stunning native 4K resolution to consistently produce a sharp and detailed picture with vibrant colors, along with 3600 ANSI lumens to remain clear and crisp in settings with some ambient light. In contrast to cheaper models such as the BenQ TK800M, which I'll mention next, it has a high-end 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio to produce outstanding black levels, clearer shadow details, and bright highlights to add extra depth to scenes. And it offers support for HDR10 and HLG content. It's also compatible with 3D content and features an enhanced gaming mode to support a range of content. The Optoma UHD55 is designed to provide a quality viewing experience at a lower price than premium competitors, and it comes with a reasonably portable design, excellent brightness, and a high-end contrast ratio to uncover additional detail. If you don't want to splurge but still want a quality projector that consistently delivers a nice picture, this is your best bet. Next up, I have a cost-effective projector that comes with solid build quality, good brightness, and comparable picture quality to some more expensive options. The BenQ TK800M is my choice as the best 4K projector for the money in 2023. Not everyone has the money to splurge on a high-end projector, and the BenQ TK800M is a more affordable alternative that offers plenty of ports, an intuitive setup process, and consistently impressive picture quality for the price. It has a robust plastic exterior that weighs around 9 pounds zones and features some basic controls on the top that allow you to control the zoom or focus. It comes with a 1.1 times zoom function to optimize the image size for your space, an extendable foot to adjust the height, and you get automatic vertical keystone correction to maintain a proper alignment and ensure an intuitive setup process. On the rear, you get two HDMI inputs with one that's HDCP 2.2 compatible to support 4K or HDR sources, a PC/VGA input, two USB ports, an analog audio in and out, and an RS-232 serial conductor. The projector utilizes XPR technology to support 4K content and deliver a clear, vibrant picture with a good amount of detail. It offers a solid native contrast ratio of 10,000 to 1 to produce a sharp image with good depth and a nice range of colors. Though anyone who wants additional shadow detail and color might prefer a higher-end model such as the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB, which I'll mention later. It also offers 3000 lumens of brightness to withstand some ambient background light and supports HDR10 content to further improve the brightness and contrast range. The BenQ TK800M is designed to provide a quality picture that's suitable for a range of content at an affordable price, and it comes with built-in controls to optimize the image and effective technology to deliver a solid picture with good depth. This is an excellent choice if you don't want to spend too much and just want a 4K projector that can get the job done and deliver a decent picture. If you're looking for the 4K projector that offers the best combination of build quality, ease of use, and all-around picture quality, the Samsung The Premiere Projector is my choice as the best overall 4K projector in 2023. With its sleek and sophisticated design, user-friendly Tizen OS system to view your content, HDR10 Plus support, and consistently excellent picture quality, the Samsung The Premiere Projector is an excellent choice that can deliver a lifelike viewing experience. It has a sleek design that comes with a stylish glossy finish to complement your other home entertainment equipment, and it features ultra-short throw technology that can be placed against the wall or screen to provide additional placement flexibility in your setup. It runs a user-friendly version of Samsung's Tizen OS and offers built-in Wi-Fi, support for almost every major streaming service, integrated Alexa and Google Assistant voice command compatibility, AirPlay to wirelessly share content, and more. On the inside, it has a powerful 4.2.2 channel sound system with 40-watt speakers to produce immersive audio. You also get 3 HDMI ports, an RF input, an Ethernet port, and a powerful USB port to support your setup. It utilizes advanced DLP laser technology with separate red, blue, and green lasers to produce a stunning 4K picture with 2800 lumens of brightness, outstanding detail, vibrant and accurate colors, and no noticeable rainbow artifacts or distortion. It also offers an excellent contrast ratio to produce outstanding depth, though the projector is likely too expensive for most casual viewers. Unlike other quality projectors such as the Optoma CinemaX P2 I mentioned earlier, it supports HDR10 Plus content to produce additional details, brightness, and colors to keep you immersed. The Samsung The Premiere Projector is a quality all-around performer that offers excellent brightness, HDR10 Plus support to show a broader range of colors, and an excellent picture with stunning contrast to uncover subtle details. This is an excellent choice if you can afford the expensive price and want a projector that delivers top-tier image quality with accurate, vibrant colors. Finally, I have a quality all-around 4K projector that's easy to set up and bright enough to withstand ambient light while delivering a crisp image. The Epson Home Cinema 5050UB is an excellent choice for any home entertainment system. The Epson Home Cinema 5050UB is a high-grade 4K projector that utilizes advanced 3LCD laser technology to deliver a stunning picture with nice colors, excellent contrast, and an impressive peak brightness to retain quality and detail in almost any setting. It has a premium design that comes with sleek gold accents, but it's relatively large for a home theater projector and measures around 6.7 by 20.5 by 17.7 inches, so it's best used in a home entertainment setup or mounted. It has two HDMI 2.0 inputs in the back, along with a USB-A port, a VGA input, and an Ethernet port to connect your devices. Even more, it's relatively easy to set up and features a mechanical lens system with 96% vertical and 47% horizontal lens shift, so you can find an optimal placement. A user-friendly remote to navigate the interface and adjust important settings, and an intuitive menu to configure the picture to your liking. It has 3 LCD technology that produces a vibrant and lifelike picture with exceptionally accurate colors and a stunning 4K resolution. Even more, it offers 2600 lumens of brightness to withstand moderately bright settings without sacrificing picture quality or detail, a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio to ensure you get excellent picture quality and plenty of depth, and HDR10 support with real-time HDR curve adjustments to further enhance the brightness and contrast. It also offers some advanced image-enhancing technology such as a pixel shift processor for smoother motion processing, a digital imaging processor, and more. The Epson Home Cinema 5050UB is a solid choice for almost any home theater system, and it offers solid image-enhancing technology for smoother motion, a high contrast ratio, and immersive picture quality to bring your favorite content to life. If you want a 4K projector that consistently looks good and can produce an accurate and detailed image each time, this is an ideal option. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.